Hi everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to launch our very first AWS instance. We'll go from homepage to having a virtual machine up and running in few minutes. This is a main console page where you have to log in using your credentials. If you don't have one, you can create new AWS account here. Since I have my own account already, I'll be using it. Let's log in real quick. Once you log in, you'll be asked to enter your password and MFA multi-factor authentication. For that, you'll have to download Authenticator app, which is available in App Store and also in Play Store. You can get the code from there. Once you log in, you'll be under the page where you'll have all the services which is provided by AWS. So, how to start our instance right away? Click on the AWS icon. I'll go back to home. I'm in the screen because I worked on EC2 previously. You can click on EC2 or you can also search EC2 here on the search bar which is available on the top portion of the AWS console. So once you search with EC2, you'll be having an options like running instances, instance types, all those things. Since you are creating or launching instance right now, we'll be choosing instances. Or you can also choose launch instance. We have a launch instance option here. Click on that. This opens up a configuration page. Since it's our first one, let's give it a name. You can give any custom name for this. For now, I'll be giving my first instance. Under OS application or OS image, I'll be choosing Linux, which is a great default, which is good for the learning things as well. Now scroll down to the instance type. We will stick with T3 micro. Let me explain what it does. It's basically a CPU, RAM, storage, everything you have in your computer. The similar way it is. So once you click on the drop down options, you will be able to see a lot of options. T3 micro, T3 small, T3 flex large, all those things. But as of now, since we are creating only for basic use, we'll keep it as T3 micro, and you'll have to create a key pair, which is good, and it is for security. We need a key pair for the future use. Click on that and give a name. Let's keep it as test one since we are working on this first time. Test one. The test, when you see it says key pair already exists, in the sense I previously created a key pair with a name test. That's the reason it chose this one. Let's give it a name test one. Basically, it will check your local machine or if any a key pair is created in this AWS console management tool. Okay, let's go forward. Once you click on create key pair, it will be downloaded to your local machine, which you can use it in the future later. Under network setting, keep SSH hello. This lets us to connect to the terminal later. Leave the storage and other settings default. Okay. Now this side, you can see a thing called summary. Review a summary here, making sure everything is perfect and then click that orange option, launch instance. Once you click on that, you'll be into the screen where it shows launching, running instance, all those things. And there you go, you just launched your instance, the first virtual machine of the cloud. To open that, click on this, and you'll be under the page where you can open your newly created instance. Let's look what's there in that EC2 instance. Click on the connect because you just created EC2. Once you click on connect, you'll be into the page where the created EC2 will run. The all the configurations you have done, it will work over here. It'll just take fraction of seconds to create this. That's it. Thank you for watching.